And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a jumping code. So the first thing you want to do is open up scratch.mit.edu. So scratch.mit.edu is open and it pops up this site right here. And then I'm just going to click Start Creating. That will open an editor that will have a completely new project. It's loading. Okay, so there goes our code. There goes our character. Now let's go to backdrops. Then go to the backdrops right there. Then it's the black one. Want to make them. Okay. It's gonna make a square. Okay. So that's our ground. Let's go to the code. And then let's go to events right here. Let's grab the green flag clicked. And then we're going to go to motion. And then we're going to go to 0, 0. So that will make it center in the middle of the screen. Now we're going to go to control. Let's get it forever. And then under that forever, we're going to grab the if then and put it inside. As you notice, it snaps in there, so that will be useful. So I'm going to go to the sensing right here, and then go to the if, drag the key space pressed. Let's drag it in there. Let's make this up arrow, key up arrow press. Now let's grab the, go to motion, and then we're going to go to change, we're going to grab the change Y by. We want to change Y by 5. But there's something missing right there. It just goes up. We don't want to do that. We want to go to variables and then click make a variable. And then it fits for all sprites, like if there's multiple sprites with where you can jump, it would be that. So I'm going to make it for this sprite only, and then type in jump velocity. Now I'm going to go to set jump velocity to 20. So I'm going to grab jump velocity, and then I'm going to drag it above that, and then let's set it to 20. And then let's grab a repeat until from the control line, right here, near the bottom. Let's drag it under there. So we're going to repeat until it's touching the color black. So I'm going to drag the touching color second down. Then I'm going to set the brightness to 0. Like that. Now, let's see. Doesn't work properly, but we can still win. So next, I'm going to go to change Y by into motion. Then let's change Y by 10 right there. Okay, so now that that's in place, we want to go to variables. Sorry, this. And then let's drag a change Y by jump velocity into there. And then we're going to grab a change jump velocity by 1. And let's put it in there. let's make it -2. So there you go. Okay, so now, right under that, let's set jump velocity to 0. Put it right there. And then we want to change y by 10. So now that that's in place, as you can see, it's pretty good. So it took a pretty long time just to make that code, but I'm going to make a code for him to move around if you want. So if you don't want to, just stop watching because it's going to take a long time. Go to control, then grab if then. And then let's go to sensing, and then I'm going to grab a key space pressed again, and let's change it to right arrow. Okay. So now we want to go to change X by 10, grab it in there, and then let's duplicate this. Get that, and then make it left arrow. So if it's the left arrow, it's going to be -10. So like that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial where we made this cat move around. I should try to make him move around. And bye.